Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today we're going to learn how to play Family Feud in the ESL classroom. Family Feud is another American TV game show, and how that works is that the producers will come up with a list of topics or categories, and before the show is aired, supposedly anyway, those producers will go out on the streets and interview 100 strangers, and they'll ask them to name a single whatever it is, in this case zoo animal. So tell us one zoo animal. They record all the data, all the 100 answers, and they choose the most popular. And it could be, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 even sometimes. But the way I play in my class is always the top 5 answers. And now, am I really going out onto the street and asking 100 strangers, hey, name a zoo animal? No, I don't do that. What I do is I come up with topics, and the first 5 things that come to my mind that I think my students would know or would say, that's what I write down. And so I make a quick list of these things. Maybe I'll have, I don't know, maybe 10 of these, and then I feel it out when I'm playing it in the classroom. If it's taking a long time, we'll only play a few. If it's going really fast, we'll play more and more and more. So I'll put my list on our Patreon. If you feel like you're stuck, you can't do this, come on over and take a look at ours. But these are pretty easy to make, really. You just come up with something that the students would understand or would be easy for you to explain to them, and then the top 5 answers. These needs to be words that the students already know, concepts that don't need to be taught. But it's kind of like a vocabulary recall exercise. So here's how it works in the classroom. I'm going to divide the class into 2 teams. I'll choose one student on this team and one on that team and play paper, scissors, stone. And the winner can hear the topic first, and that winner can choose, do they want to play first or pass? And in which case they would play second. So if they choose to play first, then what do? If that student is Sue. Sue is the team captain for this round only, and she'll say, we'll play. Okay, great, Sue. You and your team, you need to tell me the top 5 answers to this question, name a zoo animal, without getting 3 wrong. So let's try it. Maybe she says, I don't know, zebra. Zebra, is that on my list? No, it's not on my list. Uh-oh, that's one strike. Uh-oh. So ask your classmates. So maybe she's asking, and the way I do this is basically she is the one to tell me the final answer. They all can contribute, but she's the one to give me the final answer. Maybe her next one, elephant. Okay, good. Yes, elephant is the #1 answer. So I write it in. Good. Okay, you need to keep going until you get 5. If you get 5, you get a star. If you get three wrong, then the other team, they just need to say 1. So maybe she says, I don't know, giraffe. Okay, giraffe, yep. Let me see, how about lion? Oh, lion, uh-oh, no, it's not one of the ones on the list. It wasn't the most popular. And so maybe, I don't know, penguin. Yes, okay, penguin, very popular in Taiwan. It's my favorite. Okay, number 4. Can you guess number 3 or number 5? And maybe she says, I don't know, bear. Oh no, it's the 3rd strike, so stop what you're doing. This team is not right. Now, the other student, the original loser of the paper, scissors, stone, he or she becomes the captain for this team. They only need to say this one and they win, or this one and they win. Or if they don't get either of these, they get a strike, the first team still wins. So maybe they say, panda. Well, so lucky. Okay, panda is this one. Good job. Stop this round. This team gets a star. And then I'll ask them if they want to know. Does anyone know? And what is it? Oh, it's a hippopotamus or a hippo. Oh, no. Okay, so how do I come up with these lists? Well, I tell the students that I've been teaching for a long time. They know this already. I tell them a small white lie, which is that over the years, I have asked this exactly, this topic question to 100 students, and these are their most popular answers. Now, that's not really true. What I've done is sat down and just made a list off the top of my head, but that's what I tell them. So if they're upset with the answers, the heat's off me. Well, that's not what was said. I'm sorry. How can bear not be on there? Well, I'm sorry, the students didn't say that. That's how I get away with it. And so this is how you play. And maybe I'll play up to, I don't know, 3 or 4 stars on either team. They're the ultimate winner. But that's, okay, round 1 finished. You two are done, so let's do this one and this one, paper, scissors, stone. The winner again would hear the new topic and then have the choice to start all over again, whether they want to play first or second. And that's how you play Family Feud. Thank you.